Look at this, 60 surveyed acres, trophy deerland, multiple home sites, and a brick home that lives like two homes thanks to a full walkout basement with its own kitchen. Add in a pool, a shop-style carport, and a cleared pad ready for your barn, and you've got a property built for legacy living. every direction. The main level opens with a warm, open-concept layout, anchored by a cozy fireplace, flowing seamlessly into the kitchen, dining, and living spaces. French doors lead you straight out to the deck overlooking the pool, the kind of spot where summers feel endless. The primary suite sits privately on one side of the home, with double closets, a walk-in shower, and a jetted tub, while the guest rooms rest on the opposite wing. Downstairs, the finished walkout basement lives like its own home, complete with a full kitchen, dining space, large living area, a bedroom, and even a gym room that could easily become a fifth bedroom. It's ideal for multi-generational living, long-term guests, or a separate living space altogether. Outside, Kentucky beauty surrounds you. ATV trails run across the acreage, weaving through hardwoods, shale ridges, bedding pockets, and a meadow with a year-round watering hole. The surrounding farmland pulls wildlife in, and trophy deer move through this property in impressive numbers. Evenings hit different here. Rocking chairs on the front porch, farmland views glowing gold at sunset, and your own 60-acre world stretching out in every direction. This is country living elevated.